Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we are on the day number 13 of our class, and we were discussing about the service portal. Okay, so in the service portal, yesterday we saw that what is service portal and how and what component it has. So if I go back here, sorry, it's not now service, it's now LNG. Yeah. So this one we discuss, even though we discuss about the ECS portal as well, still it did not work for me, but that's totally fine. Nothing to be worried. I'll be using in coming days. We'll little bit do overview about the ECS portal as well. Okay. The thing is that I don't want to be spend much time on the service portal because this is going out, but this is a base which we need to be discuss as well. If you give me a minute, let me open the other instance shared by Vikram yesterday. What is the link and password? I opened it, but I forget. Yeah, give me a minute. Let me stop sharing for a minute and I will come back again. Otherwise, we'll miss out and we'll be not able to do it. Atul underscore LNG. Okay. F211430. Share the screen now. Okay, got it. Close this, go to the screen sharing. Okay, so now you can see on the screen. So this is the ECS portal, Employee Service Center. Okay, the configuration of this portal is totally different than the configuration of this portal. I'll do a little comparison and then we'll proceed further. So we saw that in the service portal we have a knowledge catalog request, everything is there. Nowadays customers are moving to the ECS portal. In this also, if you notice something, it's look like a similar. On the top we have a menus and then we have a taxonomies. These are called the taxonomies. So technology services one, if I go back here and if I install one plugin in this instance, taxonomy, which one we pick up? We can pick up HR taxonomy. Okay, and I will install this for a minute. It will take a few minutes, it will done automatically. Okay, so this is called the taxonomy, and in the ECS portal at a given point of time we can enable or we can add only one taxonomy, and these are the mega menus and these are the sub menus. Okay, terms and terminologies, we are going to be discuss these things. So mega menu and the sub menus are there, or we can say technology services, one more will become, there is a mega menu and these are topics and these are subtopics. If you click on the subtopic, you can see all the relevant catalog items and knowledge articles in this format. ठीक, थोड़ा सा फर्क क्या है? What is the main difference is that the binding of catalog item is not same as the binding of catalog item is in this area. ठीक, so ये subtopics and these are specific one. So you can make a favorite if you want. Okay. Also, if you want to be search something, you can search, let's say, time off. So it will show you the knowledge article. Same way it will show here as well. So this thing you can see out of. Okay. One thing more which is important here. Is it okay? It's still loading. Okay. One thing which is important is that in the menu you can see my task, means where the action is pending from your perspective. My request, where you can see how many requests are submitted by me, and my favorite. So this is what we can just see. Okay. And then on the home page, you can see my active items, my favorites, and the popular topics. A topic get popular based on its usage across the platform. It get populated here. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll just go back here. If I want to be work on the service portal, where I can go and make a changes. Can I create my own service portal? Yes, we can create. Can I create my own ECS portal? I will say yes, but not recommended. You can customize the ECS portal as a requirement. That's totally fine. But I will not say that start the ECS portal from the scratch, because this is not that much easy or looks easy that you can do it anything in this part correct immediately or efficiently. Oh, देखा? Now the problem is coming. ठीक है, चलो we'll see. To go back here, go to portal. And let's open the service portal. Here. Okay. So the suffix is one which take you always. This is what it's coming from here. Now the home page means whenever you log in and you want that I should or user should add to some page, it's called the home page and it's going to be indexed. So instead of this, if I put ID or something like this one. There we go. So this is my index page. If you open this with this slash or underscore, sorry, ID underscore in index, also it takes the same page, because this is a portal, but it is a combination of multiple pages, and multiple pages are a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript kind of things will be there. Okay. Now KB homepage. If I click on this one, see, it's coming from here. The main point is that menu. So you can see a dedicated menu like this. If I change the menu from here, so the standard says SP header menu. If I change it to some other menu, let's say employee center menu, and save. And then if you go and reload, you can see the menus get changed. See. So based on the menu, you can see it, that what need to be show here. So like in this one, it's loading. Let me do one thing. Not plugins, portals. EC portal, EC theme. What is the menu for Employee Center? Might be the reason we are facing issue. Employee Center menu is this one, but it's showing ठीक है नहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ मतलब might be there is some problem with this taxonomies as well. Okay, so now we'll change the menu to the SPR. This is what we're using it. ठीक है. Theme is one which change the structure or the behavior of the color of this one. So if I change the theme, let's say I put theme content publishing theme and save it. And now if I go and reload it, so you can see. So based on the theme as well, your menu will get changed. Okay, so I'll put La Zola is my theme. Now the point is that if I want to make a change in any of this one, okay, still loading it. Okay, I'll add one more thing here in your one. Employee Center. Update 35 and 38 पे आते हैं इसको लेके. चलो ठीक है. Now the thing is that in this particular part, in this let me yep. So you can see that if you click on home and you click on the knowledge, it shows these things, knowledge base. These knowledge base has been defined here. देखो, search sources, that if you search something here, let's say you search here called the quick. Let's say I search here request email. Now you can see it is searching. Why it is searching? It is searching in these two areas. Either searching in the knowledge, it's searching in the catalog. Which knowledge base? Non-NR IT. Which catalog? Only service catalog. So now we are going to be discussing how to define the catalogs as well. This will be starting from tomorrow. Okay. So if you say, Atul, I created one catalog item, but it is not appearing into the knowledge or into the portal, please check. Is the relevant knowledge, relevant catalog is mapped in this particular area or not? If it does not map, the item will not appear. Now, if I want to make a changes in this portal, where I can go. So you can go here and you can search for the portal configuration. It has 5, or I can say it has mainly 4 places or the 4 areas. Brand editor. I want to change the look and feel, the color of my instance. This is my service portal, right?
Sir, from where you received this option?
Go here, service portal configuration. It will open a new page. Then you can select for the branding like this. So now you can see the actual page which will be available for the end user. And now I can make a change. So if I want to be change the image of this one, previous image, upload a new one. Let me see. I want to be uploaded this one. Sorry, not this one, this image. Okay. So I can change my portal image. Now I want to be change this text. Can we help you? The good part is that you just save it and you can preview it. Sorry, why reset I did. You just save it and you can preview it. So if I just make a change here, check, and now I change this image, background image. So there's no need to be save anything. It will save automatically. Might be taking time for the cache. Let reload it. There you go. Right. So the benefit is that you can see that how your changes are going to be reflect in the actual one. So if I go here and reload it, you can see the changes. So branding option give you a lot of things that, okay, I want to be change the color or the this thing, go to theme color. Now up to you what color you want to be make it possible. Navigation background. I'm putting odd color so that we can identify that where the changes are coming. See. Navigation bar divider. ये देखो ये आ गया. Navigation link bar. See. If you want to see the actual things, just reload it. Done. So ServiceNow says I want to be increase the benefit or the use. Sorry, I want to be increase the user experience. So I will giving you the option to preview it immediately. So that if you don't like, don't do. So you can do the branding changes and you can do the theme changes of your required service portal from this particular part. ये तो हुआ मेरा overall portal page. Now let's go in the different sections. Go to the designer. Designer says that now we will work on a specific component or specific page. So let it be load quickly and then we'll see. ये देखो. Now I am in the service portal LNG and I want to make a change in this page. क्या page है ID? SC underscore home. Go and search. SC underscore home. How this page has been built up. How this page has been built up, you can see in the designer. See. This. This is a container, row, column, and widget. Means they created this page, and this page has two things. Number one, a page itself. Number two, the widgets. So these are the widgets. See, these are the widgets. So what we'll do one thing. Let's come back here and create a new portal so that we can see how it will look like. New portal, title, LNGT, LNGT homepage is index Okay. Logo, we can put it this. Logo text, we can put this. Anything, I'm just putting it. Menu, I'm putting the SP header menu. Or let's say if you want to make it, okay, let's say SP header menu. Okay. And now save it. Now this is my page. Now see, this is my portal. Now I'll make a changes here. Come back here. What is my portal is LNGT. Now I want in this LNGT. Ah, okay. I don't want, wait. Let me reload it quickly. Portal is this pages container. Let me close this and come back here. Designer. So it says, do you want to be add a new page? I said, yes, I want to be add a new page, or you want to be use the existing page. If you are using the existing page and if you make any changes in that page, make sure I'm not make sure, it will be going to be impact the globally. Means because this page is used multiple places in ServiceNow in the portal level. So if you make a change in this page, the changes are going to be reflect across the platform where this page has been used. So whenever we do this thing, we always make sure either we copy and then make a change, or if you want to create your own page, you can create your own page as well. Add a new page, page title LNGT, submit. Now it is a blank page. In a blank page, I want to be add a widget. Okay. So click on plus. Okay. I want to be add approval widget. Scroll, sorry, container. I said container, I need this thing. And now put the approval. Drag and drop. देखो यहाँ नहीं है ना, because I have to be add one more container now. This or like this. And under these, I will go to be add widgets. Now might be Vikram has a question. Atul, can we create the widget as well? Yes, we can create the widget as well, but widget is purely coding part. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, multiple things are there. So I'll show you. So now how my page will be look like? It will look like this on the desktop, on the tabs, and on the mobile phone. You want to edit more? So I can show you one more thing like clock. Like this. Now if you preview it, so it will be like this to me. So you can create the pages or you can use the existing pages as well. So if I go back here, let me add a catalog home page. Okay. In this, I want to be add something. So now if I go to the catalog home page here in my this one, you can see the changes. And it is okay. This is not my this thing, my portal. Okay. So now by this way, we can create the pages and we can add the pages to the portal. That is the second option come here, designer. Or if you want to work directly on the page level, click on the pages. These pages will give you that how this page has been defined. So if I say SC_home, so now you can see. So generally what happens that someone say, hey, I want to make a change in this page. So what we do, we ask, okay, go to the service portal configuration, go to the pages, and you can see. Type head search. Now this relevant page will be open. So now you can see. If you know the code, you can do it. I have no issues. So this one. So this is the widget. If you want to see the page as a designer, you can open it. So this is what the designer says. And I am the page one. So I want to make a change in the container 2. What is container 2? Let me put a background image. Then might be we can able to see. So we are the container 2 and come back here. It's not reflecting here. What did we? No, we did not save it. Now let's see where it has been changes. No, still not changing. ठीक है. So in this particular option, you can see the pages will help you to understand that how the complete structure has been defined. So if I show you one more page like this thing. So this is the best example. Let's say knowledge. Atul, ये क्या चीजें हैं? All these things. So you can go on the knowledge base page, kb_view2. Open the page, kb_view2. Now you can see most viewed article. Most viewed article. This is what the widget is. This LNG. And you want to put some changes here, 2x2 column or 2x3 column. So like 1 and 1 column. If you want to have some CSS, you know that CSS might be padding, might be coloring something, you can do it easily. So basically the point is that in the portal, all the things is, especially in the widgets perspective, it's all about the coding. Because what we have done, we make a change at the page level and we say column is 1. So we'll say column is 2. Or might be we have picked up the wrong column because it's showing 111, but which one? So we have done something wrong with this widget and now we are stuck here. But that was the purpose, to be sure that how this can be done. Now, if you want to be, let's say I want to make a change in this widget. There's a shortcut is called Shift Command and right click. I missed out something or what? Let me come back here. There's a shortcut also available. Not this one. Control, yeah, this one. Control, Command, and the right click. If I want to be open this one, or I want to be see this more information, but I'm not sure that where to go in the service portal configuration. So what you can do, you can just come back on the portal. You can just Control, Command, right click, and you can see it here. Instance in the page editor. It will open this page into the page editor. Now you can see how big is my index page. And then you can make a changes accordingly in this particular page. Last thing is widgets. Widget is something which you can see like this. This is a box, it's a widget. So we added a clock, that is a widget. But definitely there is someone who write the code for that widget as well. So let me show you cool clock, which we added. This is what is the code for that particular. See, और जो आपको दिख रहा है cool clock, small सा, the code for that is here. Can I make a change in the widget? Yes, but no. No means ServiceNow never ever recommend to make a change in the widget which is given by ServiceNow. If you want to make a change in the widget, better clone it and then make a change. But never ever make a change in the out of the box of the widget. So this is pure coding, which I have no idea. So might be you can open it. Approval. Like you can see who's or how many approvals are pending. You can see the code like this. If you know that way to go and change, you can change it easily. That's not an issue. So by this way, we can make a change in the portal level. For the portal, one thing is again important that you need to know the coding. Without code, you cannot work on the portal level. And JavaScript, HTML, CSS are little must for the portal level work because it's the stories are around that only. Okay, now let's discuss a little bit about the EC portal. So we're using this instance and everything has been installed now. Okay, employee center code. But taxonomy fail ho gaya, why? Let me reload if it's work fine. Let me try to be. This is my. Bytes get failed. HR taxonomy should not failed. देखो, ठीक है. Now to understand about this, let me go back here and open the portals. ठीक. Under that, EC portal. EC portal is not in the global scope. This is in the EC portal scope. That is the number one part. Okay, so I have to make a change. I have to click here. It is a home page, EC home. Yes, EC home is this, which you can see. Then EC knowledge home. So if I click on the knowledge, or where I should go, not this one. Oh, not this one. Might be it's pick it up. It's pick up from the in itself only. Okay. Login, logos, zero, catalog, and theme. Menu theme is employee center menu. This is what is the problematic in my instance at point of time. So if I open my portal, you can see, even though I have the same employee center menu, but still it's not working. That's fine. Okay. Now what I want to discuss, if you see the taxonomy, at a given point of time in the employee center, only one taxonomy work. And that is given by ServiceNow out of the box, employee taxonomy. Under this, you can map multiple taxonomies like technological service, which we can see here. ये देखो ये रहा. Why we cannot see the risk and compliance because it is not installed. This plugin is not installed. So what I was trying to do, I was trying to be add the HR taxonomy as well. Let's see if it gets installed. Okay. So on the basis and now your catalog items, the visibility of these things is should be now it's done. So now if I go and reload my page, I can see the HR as well, hopefully. No, might be have to be install the HR core plugin as well, then we can see. Leave it, no problem. That's our work is going on. That's totally fine. Okay. In the technology services, I can see multiple things. So now I am going to the next level. See, employee taxonomy, order is this image you can see, right? This is coming from here only. And this is called topic. Key topic hai mera. And under that, these are subtopics. Computer. And how you can see here. Child topics. Hardware, software, network, these things. Hardware, software, network, and this thing. And then subtopics, and then so topics and subtopics are there. Now if I click on the hardware, under that I have a child topics, computer, printer, accessories, and this thing. So if I go back here, this thing, computer. Under computer, I have a articles, I have a catalog items. That is called connected content. If you are creating a catalog item and you're not mapping that catalog item in the connected content, it will not appear in the employee center portal. Okay. And now if I go back here to this thing, taxonomy only, let's click on back. This one. See, you're not getting any option called the edit or the new because out of the box, by default, by design, ServiceNow give only one taxonomy. So if I add more plugins, I can see the taxonomies. Oh, sorry, I can see the topics here. So taxonomy is one, topic can be multiple. Now what we are going to be do. So this is what it look like. Now rest if you want to be see, because it is the same way, I can go here portals and let me open the designer. I am on the ECS portal. देखो ये रहा आपका EC portal, ये रहा. Now under the EC portal, what you want to be do, or you want to make a changes, you can do it as well. Or what we can do, you can go here, employee center, this thing. Employee center itself is a very different and very big topic. It's not same or it's not that much easy like a service portal. So it has its own way of working. It has its own way of configurations. So you can see this is what employee center. And under that you have multiple things, quick links, static content. So in this particular part, if I go back here, every component which you're able to see has a different, what I can say, component in itself. So like if I talk about the quick link, you can see password reset system and this one. And if I come back here, under this I have a quick links. देखो ये रहे आपके क्विक लिंक्स. अब quick link you want to show at which page, that depends. So on the home page I can see password, system and request standing desk. So you can see here, ये यहाँ define है password, standing desk and this one. So if you define to the pages, so if I say okay, this is what my password reset, what type of content it is, means under the quick links what you want to be show, a catalog item or something else. Click on this. देखो ये content type. I want to be show article, I want to show item, I want to show page, I want to show the external link. I want to show the catalog, knowledge article. Name LNGT. Title LNG LNG. Background image. Yes, I have a background image. It says first pick up the knowledge article. Knowledge article. I want to be share this thing. Short description LNGT. Welcome. Icon. Choose. Okay. Background image. Choose LNG. Okay. Now see. Let's go back here and see, is it be working for us? I'm not 100% sure. Will it work or not? See, it is not working. The reason being, because the configuration is half now. I have to be assign this to some topic. Click here, employee, technology, or I can say hardware, computer. Okay. Now save. Will it work? I'm still not sure. See, it's not working. But where we say technology, hardware, and computer topics. Let's see, will it show there? तो यहाँ भी show नहीं कर रहा. इसमें it means because I this is a showing. You can see it's showing here. Why it is not showing on the home page? Let's go back and check the out of the box one which has been configured. Quick links. Let's see how this has been configured. देखो इसका quick link क्या था? Sign topic employee technology services में था, and we go to the next level. So now if I go back and make a change in my article, and I will say I don't want to be use this. Delete. Let's add a assigned topic, technology service, and that's all. And now save, go, and this one. See, still not showing. Might be another issue. There's some order problem as well. That it should show have some order, because what I think and what I know that we can definitely add more, or it might be cache issue as well, I can say. Otherwise it should show like 3 4 5 it show actually. So just to be show you that yes, this can be configured easily. So I can go back here through empty, that's fine. Let's say what we were missing here. Navigation is missing. In our topic, navigation is missing. So come back here, go to navigation. अब navigation कैसे add होगा? No idea how to add a navigation here. ठीक है? So once you add the navigation, because even though we are not able to see any navigation new button, here as well. So look like it's coming out of the box itself. Employee Center Technology Services. But for us, it is not becoming.
Can we
Doubt question.
search? Can we search,
Good.
sir? There is an option to search.
Search means in this.
Yeah,
नहीं यहाँ पे search का
maybe.
option देखो. नहीं नहीं नहीं. The search will work only when the records exist here.
Okay.
So my thought says that if you put the this thing assigned topic, the navigation should come automatically. Or might be we're missing something here. Once the navigation will become, only then it will show here. So that we can say that okay, navigate to this particular place and then move it forward. Let's go back and see something else. So we have this thing
So
like
Atul, might be there a configuration like right now there are 3 widgets, okay? So they may be fixed 3 widgets. Out of three, we need to make one false, and this we need to make see right now active is true. So if you make
right.
any one
Let
false there,
let's say this we make as a false. I thought this part, but I'm not 100% sure. See, issue is not with this. Issue is that because there's a no place or there's nothing in my quick link that we can say that navigate on this particular part. So now if I reload it again, see, it's not be appearing. So only the thing is that this navigation is missing. So if I open this, see, even this is not appearing, right? Printer. But it has a navigation. It is true or false? Active true. Catalog item, printer, background image. But why it's not appearing then? So little difficult part for me, I can say, because I never actually work on this option. But yes, you can see that why it is not appearing. So if you open this page, because navigation is there. Now, how the navigation updated? We have to be C. Might be there's some other feature called navigation under this advanced portal navigation, employee center true, or might be under that something has been given. No, okay, this is what the same thing. So that's the thing which we can say is missing here. But yes, in the service port in the ECS portal, multiple things are there. So this is what we discuss is just a quick link. It should appear here. You can, because I was reading one article written by one of the ServiceNow employee, where she mentioned that if you want to configure the images or videos here, you can do it as well. So where it is should go, employee center, like static content, contact us. So multiple things we have to be do. Favorite, action, employee center profile, header configuration, portal configuration. Because as I say that this is not that easy as a service portal. But intention to add this topic is that to give you overview that how this portal has been configured. So you can go through a dedicated course, I guess available in the Now Learning, and you can learn that how this has been configured. Because currently I'm working for my customer and we're implementing the EC portal. So a lot of discussions are going on what they want, what they don't want, everything should be there. Okay. Now come to our actual part. Let me close this, and this one. Come back here. Now, in next 8 to 9 minutes, what we're going to discuss is something important, is a base for tomorrow's session. Okay. Let's say Pratik joined a new company and his manager says, Pratik, go and raise a request for the laptop. Pratik, log in into this part, come to catalog, browse the categories, hardware, or might be office, or what we can say, departmental services, not there. Okay, let's say mobile. His manager says you can go and order the iPhone 13 Pro. Okay. As we say that this is the description, this is the variables. But now what I want to show you and order now. This will create a record that is called the request. Request. So there are two things. One is called the catalog and one is called the request. How a user can order something is come under the catalog management. यहाँ पर ये when a user submit is called the request management. The life cycle of that record is the request management. To understand in the simple stuff, if you go to a restaurant, a hotel, when you sit, what the first thing you get from the waiter? What the first thing you get from the waiter? Is a
Menu
menu,
with a glass of
menu
water.
and menu card, right? What that menu means? That you are here, what you want to be eat, drink, you can order it here. What you order? Let's say Pratik go to restaurant with his family and kid says, hey dad, we want to be eat noodles. Now noodles is the last item or last component which he will order it. But noodles is in the category of the snacks. Snacks is the category under the Chinese. And Chinese is under category of the catalog or the menu card what you have. Because if you go to any kind of a restaurant who serve the drinks as well, so they give you the two menu cards, one for the drinks and one for the food. So we never ever order a catalog, we never ever order a category, we always order a item. Item has a life cycle. So now when you order something, a request get generated, and now that request will go in the background and create one more record that is called the RITM, request item. So REQ is your bigger order number. RITM is your item numbers. So like if I say you are ordering something from Amazon or might be another e-commerce website, you order a trouser, a t-shirt, might be a bag, but your complete order number is one. When you submit the order, Amazon says, thank you so much for submitting. Your order number is this. Under that order number, you have the different item numbers. And every item has its own workflow. Might be trouser will be delivered in 2 days, but t-shirt will be delivered in 5 days. Right? So it means if you order soup, it has its own process. If you order a ice cream, it has its own process. And this own process, we are referring to the flow designers. Flow, automation. If I order something, I receive an email, I receive an SMS, I receive the item. In the background, multiple things have been worked. So the first thing is RAQ, then the RATM, and under the RATM, we have a task. Let me approve this. ये देखो. गया, हुआ नहीं गया. Wait, let me see if everything is good. So department head approval. Okay. So now did you notice that it is going first, it go to manager. Now it is going for the department head approval. Where this has been configured? This has been configured in the flow. Once I will approve it, a task get created. ये कोई और approval भी है. हाँ, देखो. A task get created. So REQ, RATM and the SC task. And work has been done on the task level, not RATM level. Now there's a steps. If you go to a restaurant, a waiter first serve you the water and the menu card. Then collect the order from you, deliver the order to you, take the menu card back, give you the bill, collect the payment, give you the this thing, mouth refreshment later, and then when you go out, close the chair, clean the table, and ready for the next customer. ठीक है जी, clear कुछ doubt? Because this is the whole process we're going to be discussed from tomorrow. So today you see that, okay, Atul, we submitted this iPhone Pro. Can I create my own catalog item? Yes, we can create it. Can I define my own flow? Yes, we can do it. But the base is this. So there's the two things. One is the request, then there's a concept come record producer, then there's the concept come order guide. So these 2-3 topics are linked with each other in this sense. The purpose of showing you this to be give understanding that yes, this is what has been built up. There's something in the background which is working. So same thing is applicable here as well. So if I go and computers, and now in the computer, I want to be order MacBook. Same thing, the RAQ will be generated here as well. Order now, check out. Same flow, same workflow will work. But the only thing is that little visibility will get changed. Clear हुआ? Sorry. Clear हुआ? Doubt, question, clarification. बताइए.
Sir, catalog item will be same for both like employee center and the other one.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
A water bottle,
if
water
we are
bottle
going to
in the
create,
restaurant. Sorry, a water bottle in the restaurant. Either you serve with the food or either serve with the drinks. Always same.
Okay.
right?
Yes.
Because record तो एक बार बन गया ना. Now where you want to be show that record is based on depend on you. Do you want to show in the portal, SP portal? Do you want to show in the ECS portal? Configuration different थोड़ा सा, बाकी is all same.
Okay. My second question is like if, for example, if I am creating a portal
Mm-hmm.
and giving it to somebody in our batch,
Mm-hmm.
and if he is not having the admin role,
नहीं कर सकते. So
he
okay.
no, my
Go
question is like I am having an admin role and I created a page like
See,
portal, CSA portal.
wait. You are mixing multiple things. Are you creating a page? Are you creating a portal? Are you creating a widget? Are you creating an item?
I'm creating
You
completely new portal, sir.
okay? ठीक है, चलो. Go ahead
So
आगे.
if I'm creating a new portal, other things will automatically come inside it, right?
ना. भाई, you just buy a land. Doesn't mean that you are or it will be only for the restaurant. You have to be design everything in your portal. What page, what widget, what access, what should appear, what should not appear, where it should be displayed. Everything you have to be decide. You have to be built up.
Okay. मेरे पूछने का सिंपल फंडा ये था कि अगर मैं वैसा कुछ एक एप्लीकेशन रेडी करता हूँ और किसी दूसरे को देता हूँ, लाइक जैसे हम किसी शॉप में जाते हैं, होटल में जाते हैं, तो होटल में एक उनका कंप्यूटर पे स्क्रीन दिखता है कि हाँ, 2 चाय, 2
हाँ,
बन,
right.
एक बिस्किट.
Billing, yes.
हाँ. तो लेकिन उसके पीछे सेम वैसा ही रहेगा जैसे कि हमको सर्विस नाउ का अपना इंस्टेंस दिखता है.
बैक एंड व्यू रहता है, राइट.
हाँ. तो अगर मैं किसी को बना के दिया और उसके पास वो एडमिन राइट्स नहीं है, तो वो बैक एंड व्यू देख पाएगा या नहीं देख पाएगा?
देखो, now, okay, I'll give you an example. You are using Gmail, right?
यस सर. हाँ.
Can you see the backend of the Gmail?
नहीं, वो
You can see only front end, right? Inbox है, outbox है, sent है, spam है, read है, unread है, star है, important है, right?
हाँ.
Because you purchase the Gmail or you are using the Gmail as an end user only. लेकिन when anybody purchase the software from you, then you can tell that boss, you can see the data in the backend view up to this level only. You cannot change, you cannot go up to the database level because that is, I am maintaining it for you. So shopkeepers हैं वो, उनको ये it doesn't matter for them कि backend में क्या चल रहा है. उनका मैटर करता है that they are able to generate a bill very quickly. बारकोड डाला, आइटम को प्राइस आ जाने से क्वांटिटी नीचे, काम खत्म हो गया. So that is the different way you are saying. Building and selling is different. You sell only the platform or the product to be used. आप पूरा प्रोडक्ट नहीं बेच के आए उसको कि भाई तू आज से तेरा होगा, तो सब कुछ कर इसके ऊपर. Similar like a Gmail, similar like a Outlook. How we know that how the Outlook is storing our emails in the backend, right? So when we build any application, we just install that application to the customer. And as ServiceNow give the native view, so they can access the native view as well. तो वैसा है. अब you raise a refund request on the third party or the e-commerce website, right?
Yes.
What you can see will be different what the Amazon employee or the Myntra employee or the Flipkart employee can see, because they have a native view access as well, which you don't have because you are the user. ठीक है?
Got it.
Good. Go ahead, Bhavna.
So, what is the maximum number of the catalogs that we can create it?
How many catalogs?
Yeah, is there a limit to the number of catalogs we can create it?
Up to you. It's your business need.
Okay. It means unlimited.
Okay, let me put you one thing. How much rice you can store in your house?
It depends the space.
कितना? 5
Mhm.
किलो, 10 किलो, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50,
Mm,
70, 100, 1 क्विंटल, 2 क्विंटल, 3 क्विंटल्स, right?
mhm.
Why not you say the unlimited this time?
Because it depends on the space. If I don't have much
Then
space, then
why you
stove.
say the unlimited before? We can get unlimited catalog items because there's a nothing called unlimited here. How the business can build unlimited catalog items? ठीक है, आपको बनाने कैटलॉग्स 5, 7, 8, 10 बन जाएंगे. Unlimited means which you cannot count it. How this possible? Being a BA, these are the vague words for us. There's a when we go for this session regarding the business analyst requirement gathering, there's a concept called a SMART. A requirement must be smart, specific, measurable. Unlimited is not a specific. Unlimited is vague. So we never say that how many catalog items we can create. Yes, we can create 5, 10, 20, 30, which you want. But unlimited is a wrong word. Because if in your discussion you said unlimited to the customer, then they will pick this word and they will eat your brain now. So we as a consultant, we as a business analyst, very clear in our terms that these many records we can create. Because system है ये. How many records or how many contacts you can save in your Gmail? The answer is not unlimited. Answer there must be a limit, might be 1 lakh records. On the LinkedIn,
Mhm.
I can have followers. Can I have unlimited followers? Or sorry, I have a connections. Can I have unlimited connections? No. It has a limit of 30,000. After 30,000 connections, you cannot add a new connection. देखो unlimited तो उन्होंने भी नहीं दिया. So point is that it's not your question was wrong. Your term was wrong, which I want to be corrected as a consultant. ठीक है भावना?
Mhm.
So make sure whenever we are, because you are the consultant, if you use the wrong terminologies, wrong definition, then customer will use the same. Today you are be easily saying unlimited, tomorrow you will be in the mess when customer says okay. Now the one thing is that okay, unlimited is one thing. What about the costing for the unlimited? Defining the catalogs. It required human, right? Manpower it required. Development it required. How you justify the efforts? क्योंकि अनलिमिटेड के तो एफर्ट्स भी नहीं होते कुछ. कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे अनलिमिटेड?
So we can say as much as we can, right?
नहीं. We say what is your business requirement? We can discuss and then we can say that you need 2, 4, 5 catalogs. As much as का भी कैलकुलेशन कैसे करोगे? There must be a limit, right? अब हम कहते हैं ना like we told our kids, अच्छा आपको खाना है, you can eat it. बच्चा पूछता है कितना खाऊं? हाँ, जितनी आपकी भूख है. Or did we say as much as? No, because the hunger has a limit. Might be one quantity, might be two quantities, might be three quantities. As much as तो आप जितना मर्जी खा जाओ, उसका तो कोई है ही नहीं. So there must be some specific measurement, measurable. This is what the definition is. This is what the characteristics of a requirement. It should be smart. ठीक है? Clear everybody?
Yes, sir.
Good. चलिए, any other question?
One
Go ahead,
similar
Vikram.
question, which is related to Bhavana's question. So, like if somebody, any organization is purchasing ServiceNow license, or so along with that, any condition which related to space, like in our Gmail account or Google account, we get only 15 GB limit. There is limit. If that 15 GB is full, then you need to buy extra, or you need to like remove few things to make a space.
Okay. So I give example. There are international banks who are using ServiceNow, whose daily transaction count is in millions and the billions. मतलब डेली का मैं कह रहा हूँ. Just take a simple example of RBI. Can you imagine how many transactions happen in a single day in RBI? हमें तो पता भी नहीं है. Even we cannot think up to that level. And let's take example, if RBI is using the service now, how much data they'll be collecting or they're generating in a single day. So these things come into the picture when you procure the ServiceNow instance from ServiceNow. Then ServiceNow asks, okay, what is your data usage? How many transactions, how many records we can estimate in a single day? And based on that, they allocate the databases and the servers to you. And as you're moving it, if they require, they will add the spaces for you. And one more thing, there is an archive policy as well. That can I archive the last 6 months data, last 8 months data? Do you need it? All these things will be discussed during the procurement of the ServiceNow instance between the sales team and their company or the service provider or the customer directly. कि इतने लिमिट्स हैं, इतने इतने का आपका बैकअप रहेगा, ये बैकअप का पॉलिसी रहेगा, you can get the backup like this and that way only. We have a session for this one as well. ServiceNow architecture, where we discuss the failover, backup and everything will be there.
Okay,
but your question is valid. It is, the information is there, but it is not easily accessible to the public. These all about the agreements and the NDAs, which nobody will discuss. And nobody can discuss because it's all confidentials.
Got it, sir.
ठीक है जी. चलिए,
Thank
if
you.
no last question, no problem. Let me stop the recording and take attendance now.